How to fix wide angle camera zoom not working on iPhone. So if you want to solve 0.5 zoom not working on your iPhone, then first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down, go with the camera section. Under camera, you will have preserve settings. Tap on preserve settings. Under your preserve settings, you need to go with creative controls, turn it on. After that, go back, scroll down a bit, and you will have scene detection. So you just need to simply go and turn on your scene detection, which will be under your photo capture. After that, you will have lens correction. Go and turn on the lens correction also. Now your wide angle camera will work. If that doesn't, then the second solution is to update your iOS. Ensure that the device is up to date. So open up your settings. Under settings, you need to go with general. Under general, tap on software update and make sure that you don't have your updates. If you have any updates, go and update your system. After updating, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.